anyone out there can hear this, chances are it has already affected your world. Just know that you're not alone. There are multiple others as well. We're doing all we can to stop it. That's where you come in.
It's been a few months since the ARG side of When Daylight Breaks is over on stream, and I did say that the When Daylight Breaks movie is in development, and I did say that one day one of you guys will join the movie. It's now, that's right, the time is here, and it's now available. Join the Discord server and upload your OC onto the Insert Your OC channel on Discord server. And you better hurry, because you only have it until January 31st, and the last week of January, because once that passes, you can't join. So until then, make sure you read the cameo rules, because you're going to be there as a cameo, and it's very important to read the rules, because if you don't, well, pretty much it won't work for you. Until then, happy production!